Alright, what's going on 2A crew? Rizzo, and today we're going to do a field strip clean and lube of the Smith Wesson M&P 1522. So let's get right to it. Alright, so being the safe firearm handlers that we are, we're going to ensure that the gun is clean. So I'm going to remove the magazine, just put it to the side. We won't be needing that one. We will open it up and make sure there's nothing inside. Confirm clean. Clear. Confirm clear. Okay, so what we're going to do is we have two pins. Got your takedown pin here, which we will loosen up. Pull it out. And you got your pivot pin. So once we... well, maybe if I take it all the way out. Should have been that hard, but that's fine. So we can you can leave it there, but I'm gonna go ahead and take out the pivot pin also. And so we got your upper receiver and your lower receiver, two different parts. All right. So now we will go ahead and we're going to remove the charging handle and the bolt carrier group. So there you go. It's a 22 LR, so not a lot going on here. So you got your bolt carrier group, your charging handle, upper receiver, lower receiver. Pretty easy field strip on that one. All right. So let's get to cleaning. All right. So this one is pretty clean. So I'm not going to do a whole lot of cleaning, but I will walk you through it. So 22. So there's no buffer in here. So basically all you're going to want to do is just maybe kind of spray and wipe down all your parts here. And usually, let's see, you can just kind of spray it on. If it's really dirty, you may want to get a brush and kind of brush some parts out. So I'm just going to kind of spray a little. It's not really doing a cleaning. And just kind of... you just want to kind of get in there and just kind of, you know, wipe everything down. You can see, yeah, mine is pretty clean. I just cleaned it not too long ago, so it's not filthy dirty. So just kind of get in there and just kind of clean everything out. I always tell people don't forget to hit your inside here where your magazines go. That can get pretty dirty. So like I said, if you need to get in and with a brush or something, just get you a brush and just kind of brush a couple of parts up in there. All right, so we'll kind of take the bolt carrier group, and usually what I do with this one is I will usually just kind of spray it down and just sit it to the side and just let it soak. Then I'll come back and get it. So sit that one down, and then we'll start working on the chamber and the barrel. Usually what you want to do is, it's a 22 LR, so you have to make sure you got the right tools for it, but either a 22 LR snake or rod, and you can just kind of come down through, excuse me, run your rod through or your snake down through the chamber and just kind of pull it through like that. And then what you want to do is spray inside of the chamber here. So just hit that and then just kind of, you know, get in. And like I said, if yours is dirty, you may want to get in there and with a brush. But like I said, this one we just cleaned this out not too long ago, so it's not dirty at all. I'm getting like nothing on here, so yeah. But if it is, if it is dirty, you do want to get in there and sometimes, like if you're trying to get like the very top in there, you might just want to get you something to push in and just kind of make sure you get to the bottom. Yeah, but that's it. It's kind of cleaning inside your chamber and just take a snake cleaner for your barrel, then you'll come back and hit it later with some lube. Yeah, that's how you want to do that. Just a snake or something right down the barrel, shoot through, clean it out. So I'll come back and we'll get my bolt carrier group. Like I say, if yours is dirty, you are going to want to hit it with a brush. But this one, not a whole lot going on. Just kind of wipe everything down pretty good. Make sure I get it all off of there. And you can see I got like nothing on here. Yeah. But that's fine. Clean it off and I'll go ahead and hit my charging handle and just kind of wipe it down. Alright, so that's kind of it for the cleaning. You know, like I said, get in, just depending on if you need a brush or not. Whatever you need, you know, different people clean it different ways. You saw me use a rag. If I'm doing it frequently, just a quick cleaning, a rag will do. But sometimes, you know, this 22 LR can get kind of dirty, so you want to get in there and clean that. And like I said, get inside of your chamber here, run a snake or a rod down through here to clean it, lube it up also. Alright. And also your bolt carrier group and your charging handle. Hit all those spots. So, oil. Use some of this. So, not really a whole lot of oil is needed. So you can really just, let's say like with the bolt carrier group, I'm going to just kind of hit it with oil. And I'm not really worrying about being a neat freak, so I'm going to just get that and just kind of rub that in there. And just kind of rub it on in. And a lot of times, when you see parts that are kind of like, you know, you can see the wear and tear on there, you can kind of hit those. I'll just put like a drop or two on this spring. And not a whole lot. Hit that up, yep. Charging handle, yeah, same deal here. I'm going to just kind of hit it with the little dab on the sides. And just rub it in. Now you don't have to be as, you know, you can do a little better than I'm doing, but yeah, just don't take a whole lot. Get in there and rub that on in there. Dab in the middle here. Rub it up. Yep. You don't need to put a whole lot of oil inside your guns. Most guns would run pretty good with the minimal amount of oil. And like I say, with your snake or your rod, you want to put just run something through the bolt carrier group, and then maybe like a little dab of oil inside the chamber here. So I'll maybe just kind of hit it and just kind of rub some in. Not really a whole lot. It's kind of polymer parts up in here, so I'm gonna just kind of hit it and just right in here where the bolt carrier group and the charging handle kind of meet up. Yep. So that's that. All right. So for the lower, I really just put like a little dab on my pins. Put those in. Sometimes I may put a dab in for the mag release, and it's like a little spring inside of it. I don't know how well you can see that. I put a little dab of oil on that spring. Just a little dab. There we go. And call it a day. Alright, so we want to put it back together. It is pretty simple. Charging handle and bolt carrier group. Take them and slide them right back in, like so. Slide that right back inside. Put the pivot pin, push it in. For your takedown pin, push it in. Alright, so of course we're going to do a quick systems check. Pull it back, pull the trigger, it's on safe, not on fire, put it on fire. Bang, there we go. Let's get my magazine in here. Pull it back. Stays back. That is nice. Okay. Drop my magazine. Magazine release works well. Bolt release works good. Fire. Pull it back. Put it on safe. Nothing. Alright, so there you go. That was pretty quick, pretty easy. Field strip clean and lube of the Smith Wesson M&P 1522. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If it's something different you would have done, a different way you clean yours, hit me up in the comments and let me know. We're always down for any suggestions, whatever you have. But we'll talk to you guys later. Until then, stay safe, shoot straight, keep training. We'll talk to y'all later. All right, so here at Fitty and Tactical, we're trying to give you good quality content, especially for new shooters, people that may be underrepresented in the community. So if these videos are helpful or informational, like and subscribe. Just kind of help grow the channel. That's what we're trying to do, is grow, get to as many people as possible. So if you like what you see, like and subscribe. All right, you guys stay safe.